Hey, hello everyone, and my name is Arvind Upadhyay. I'm author over many books, more than 100 books. One of my book is First 30 Days, Billion Dollar Habits. My advice and my thought is that any person in this whole planet can adopt a new skills, and it's only take the 30 days, and that is my book, First 30 Days, Billion Dollar Habits. You can adopt new habits. Here I am sharing 5 habits that you can have to nurture your potential. And number one is read widely. Read my books. Read Arvind Upadhyay books every day. I have written more than 2000 articles and 5000 plus blogs, so you can read them. You can do the research. Focus point is that read widely. Second is embrace lifelong learning. Learning never stops, so you have focus to lifelong learning. Third is a practice puzzles game. This will sharp your mind. Practice mindfulness and engage in deep conversation. Take a topic and talk with your friend family in the deep conversation about